Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to cherry pick your develop or master branch changes into your release branch. If your repo is in Bitbucket, then sometimes it's difficult to cherry pick your master branch changes into release branch. Means in Visual Studio, you cannot right click and just cherry pick into your target branch. That step it's not visible in Visual Studio. Then how we can cherry pick your changes into release branch? So there is another way where we can easily cherry pick your develop or master branch changes into release branch. So what is the steps? So in this video, we will learn all those steps and how we can cherry pick your changes into your target release branch. So first, in your Visual Studio, just take the latest code for your master branch or your release branch. Okay, then create your release branch. For example, if you want to move your changes in one release branch, then just create a new branch against that release branch. Okay, so this is your target release branch. Now for example, this is your release branch where you want to cherry pick your master changes. Okay, now this is my main release branch, and now I just create a new release branch against this release branch. Okay, this is my main release branch where I want to merge my changes, and this is my temporary release branch, and this changes once your PR is approved, then it's automatically merged into this branch, and this is your deployment branch. Okay, so now I want to cherry pick my master code changes into this target release branch. Okay, so how we can do this? Just go to your Visual Studio, inside the tools, command line. Okay, just select the command line and just open any prompt like developer command prompt or developer PowerShell. So here I'm just using developer command prompt. Okay, once you open the developer command prompt, just select your release branch. For example, our target release branch is like a release ABC. So just put the command like git checkout release whatever your branch, just put your name. Okay, once you check out this branch, then it's showing like if it's already in use, if you already select the target release branch, then it's showing already on uh, release branch, and if you are not selected release branch, then it's check out automatically. Then next step is what? Now you need to collect your commit id, what changes you want to cherry pick in your release branch. Just take the commit id for that code. For example, this is my commit id. Okay, so for commit id, suppose if you add multiple changes in single branch, then multiple commit ids are generated, but we need to take merge commit id. Okay, for example, how you can check this commit id is merge commit id or not? You just use this command like git show summary and just add your commit id. So this will show you like this is a commit id, and how you identify based on this merge name, you just identify you added correct merge commit id. Okay, before adding commit id, just double check your commit id is merge commit id or not, because when you added multiple code in the same branch, or when you add multiple code, push the multiple code in the same branch, then sometime what happen, code are merged. Okay, so final merge code we need to cherry pick in the release branch. Okay, so make sure whatever commit id you are using, just check it's merge or not. Then we need to use this command. For example, git cherry pick m1 your commit id. Why we are using this one? Because we need to cherry pick the merge commit. For that reason we need to use minus m and 1. Okay, in similar way, if you want to add multiple commit id, or if you want to cherry pick multiple commit ids, merge commit id into a target release branch, in this way you can just add it. Just simply execute this command and just uh, go to Visual Studio. Last step, whatever your target release branch, then you can check uh, all commits are already in your target release branch. Once all changes are okay, are in your release branch, then simply just push your changes and just check in Bitbucket pull request section. All your changes are in your target release branch. Then just create a PR and then merge it. So in this way, you can cherry pick your all develop or master branch changes into your release branch. Sometime what happen means, in Visual Studio we are not able to right click and just cherry pick the changes easily, because in Bitbucket it's not supported. So this is the best way to use a command prompt, and just using this command you can just simply cherry pick your changes into target release branch. Don't use a manual code copy paste, just use this command. It's easily cherry pick your changes from master release branch. I hope you understand this. I already created one block for this, where I already mentioned the step by step procedure. Okay, so you just refer this block. I will share this block link in description. You can just check step by step and just try to cherry pick your master code into your target release branch. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you guys.